Hi, my name is PeeJ, let me not waste your time. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make the Turbulent Displace in DaVinci Resolve. Start off, we're going to have an adjustment clip on our footage right here, and then we're going to go into Fusion. We're going to close our tabs, and then the first thing we're going to do is grab a displace node. So shift space, type in displace, put on the node graph right here, and then we're going to grab a fast noise as well, right there. And we're going to connect it to the displace. And then we're going to keyframe three things in order to make the displace. First, go to the fast noise. Then we're going to keyframe, go for the beginning. We're going to keyframe the contrast from 1 to 0, all the way down like that. Then we're going to keyframe the seethe from 0 to 1. So 0 at the beginning, and then we got 1 over here. And lastly, we're going to keyframe the scale from 2.5 to 2. So let me just keyframe those. Go back, and then 2.5. Alright, then you'll have something that looks like this. And then we're going to go to our displace right here, and then we're going to change the offset to a -0.5, and then the refraction strength up to 2. And if you play it back, this is what you should have. Alright, now we're going to open our spline graph. So we just hit the spline button up here, and then we're going to open all of these spline graphs over here. Now we're going to turn off scale, and what we're going to do is change the spline of these two, the seethe and the contrast. So basically we're going to make ease out curves just like that. Around there is fine, and if we play it back, you'll see you have your turbulent displace effect. Sometimes I like to move the contrast so the graph looks like this. You get a little bit of a different kind of displace, a little bit more noticeable movement at the beginning. So other than that, we can go away, and that should be your effect. Alright, if you have any more questions or suggestions on what I should do in the future, please let me know down in the comment section. If you'd like to join the Resolve AMI community Discord, there's a link in the description, as well as my own server if you'd like to join. And with that, subscribe and have a good day.